The next wave of AI lending in Africa is moving from consumer to small businesses. Here are three names to know. The first is Lula, formerly Lula Lend in South Africa. Lula used AI to score underwrite on the secured working capital loan up to 5 million rands. The entire decision happens under 24 hours. Non-performing loans sit between 4 to 5%, which is industry grade for secured lending anywhere in the world. The second is Move, founded in Nigeria. Move built an alternative credit scoring model specifically for ride-hailing and logistic entrepreneurs. This model used 5 analytics from the actual driving work, not bureau data. Move now operates 13 cities, valued at $750 million after $100 million round raise by Uber. The third is Pezesha in Kenya. Pezesha sits on an embedded layer inside other platforms. Their partnership with Safaricom disbursed over 1 billion Kenyan shilling to M-Pesa merchants in under a year. That is roughly $7.7 million of working capital decided by algorithm, delivered through mobile money. Notice the architectural shift. The AI is no longer a standalone product. It is a credit layer that other businesses plug into. This is the direction every major African fintech is now moving.